We're asking artificial intelligence to solve some of our biggest problems, right? And honestly, it doesn't get much bigger than our global energy system. So we're going to dive into how AI is completely changing the game for how we generate and manage power. But here's the thing you need to know right up front. It is not a one-size-fits-all solution. It's all about finding the right AI for the right energy challenge.
So let's start with a little riddle. What could an oil rig out in the middle of nowhere, a huge solar farm soaking up the sun, and the very power grid that's lighting up your room right now? What could they possibly have in common? They seem like totally different worlds, but they all share this one hidden, massive challenge. Any ideas?
The answer? It's data. A crazy, overwhelming flood of it. Every single second, these systems are generating more information than any human could ever hope to process. And that, right there, is where AI becomes not just a nice-to-have, but absolutely essential. It's really the only tool that can make any sense of all this chaos in real time. All right, so for our first stop, let's journey out to the extreme edge of our energy world. We're talking about oil and gas, where the environment itself is basically trying to stop you at every turn. This slide just perfectly lays out why the usual cloud-based AI just falls flat in these places. I mean, picture an oil rig way out in the middle of the ocean. It's churning out terabytes of data from thousands of sensors, but the internet connection, it's slow, it's unreliable. Sending all that information to a server 1,000 miles away is just not practical. It's expensive and a huge security risk. And, in a critical moment, say a pipeline pressure is about to fail, you need a response now, not one that's a few minutes late. So, the solution is to completely flip the model on its head. If you can't bring the data to the AI, well, you bring the AI to the data. This is the whole idea behind Edge AI. We're literally putting powerful algorithms right on the equipment itself, out at the edge of the network. This means you get instant analysis, instant decision-making, and you don't need the cloud at all. And the results are, well, they're staggering. By using Edge AI to monitor equipment in real time, companies are slashing their manual inspection costs by up to 40%. That's huge! The AI can spot these tiny little anomalies a person might miss, and it's watching 24/7, something a human just can't do. But the real magic of Edge AI isn't just watching, it's predicting. This lets companies make a huge shift, from fixing things after they break to knowing when they're about to break. These algorithms learn the unique operational fingerprint of every machine, so they can predict failures before they happen. This means fewer costly breakdowns and, get this, a 30 to 50% cut in overall maintenance costs. Okay, so Edge AI is a beast when it comes to handling data and remote spots. But what happens when the data itself is the problem? Let's shift gears and look at solar power. Here, the challenge isn't a bad connection, it's just sheer unpredictability. You see, solar power has this built-in paradox. The sun is its greatest strength, but it's also its greatest weakness. The power you get isn't a nice, steady stream. Nope, it's a spiky, volatile roller coaster. A single cloud passes over and boom, your power production tanks. And that gives a massive headache to the grid operators who are trying to balance supply and demand every single second of the day. For years, we tried using old-school statistical models to predict solar output, but they just couldn't handle the complexities of the weather. And this is where deep learning, especially models like deep neural networks or DNNs, comes into play. Think of a DNN as kind of like a digital brain with all these layers of interconnected neurons. You feed it tons of historical data, weather patterns, satellite pictures, past power output, and it starts to see these incredibly subtle patterns that the old methods would totally miss. It literally teaches itself how a certain kind of cloud at a certain time of day is going to affect power generation. And what you get is a massive leap forward in forecasting accuracy. When grid operators have a much clearer picture of how much solar power they're going to get, they can make way smarter, more cost-effective decisions. They can rely less on those expensive, polluting backup plants, and most importantly, they can safely bring more clean, renewable energy onto the grid. So we've handled remote data, and we've handled unpredictable data. But now we're going to tackle a challenge where the stakes are even higher, and the clock is ticking in milliseconds. Welcome to the high-wire act of managing the power grid. The power grid is this constant, delicate balancing act. If a big power plant suddenly goes offline, the whole system has just milliseconds to react before a cascading failure could plunge millions of people into darkness. In a situation like that, even our most powerful deep learning models can be too slow. They have to crunch all that data, and that processing just takes too much precious time. So the solution is this incredible new approach, physics-informed neural networks, or PINs for short. Okay, imagine a regular AI that just learns from experience. Now imagine an AI that not only learns from experience, but also has a PhD in physics. That's a PIN. It has the fundamental laws of electricity, the really complex power flow equations, literally baked into its code. And this is a total game changer because a PIN already understands the physics of the system. It doesn't have to learn everything from scratch. It already knows the rules of the game. This means it needs way less data to train on, and it can make super accurate predictions at lightning speed. It's not just guessing based on patterns anymore. It's reasoning based on the laws of physics. So how much faster are we talking, really? Well, get this. Studies have shown that PINs can solve these complex power system equations up to 87 times faster than the old methods. Let that sink in. That's the critical difference between seeing a blackout coming and actually having enough time to prevent it. Okay, let's pull back for a second and look at the big picture. We've gone through 3 totally different challenges in the energy world. And for every single one, we've seen how a unique and powerful type of AI was the answer. So, for the rough and remote world of oil and gas, Edge AI was the hero, bringing intelligence right to the source. For the wild, unpredictable nature of solar power, the pattern-finding genius of deep learning brought some much-needed clarity. And for the split-second decisions needed to keep our power grid stable, physics-informed neural networks delivered that crucial speed and precision. And that brings us to the most important takeaway from all of this. There is no such thing as a single AI for energy. It just doesn't exist. What we have instead is this diverse, growing toolkit of specialized intelligence, with each tool perfectly designed for a specific job. The future of a stable, reliable, and clean energy system is going to depend on how well we can master this toolkit, using the right AI in the right place at exactly the right time.
And this leaves us with one final and maybe the most important question of all. As we weave these incredibly powerful AI systems into the very fabric of our lives, we have to face a whole new set of challenges. How do we make sure these complex systems are secure? How do we make them reliable and fair for everybody? The technical problems, we're figuring those out. But the human ones, we're just getting started.